During our current environment, the last thing on your mind might be home improvement and going solar. In reality, there has never been a better time to consider it. We're all spending way more time at home, and with summer here, that can mean large SDGE bills. Also, with the possibility of rolling blackouts during peak usage or during fire season, having battery storage options can help keep you cool and safe. Also, there is still a full 26% tax credit available for going solar that will be decreasing by the end of the year. At San Diego Solar, we aren't plumbers or air conditioning technicians. We specialize in solar for homes or business, and we've been doing it in San Diego for over 25 years. We're not a giant company with call centers in other parts of the country. When you need support, you connect directly with our team. Click the link or give us a call to discover the San Diego Solar difference.
So thank you and be safe, San Diego.